Hello friends, welcome back once again to our video. So friends, today in this video we are going to discuss one of the very important topic of the GST law, which is reverse charge mechanism, that is also called RCM in the GST law. Friends, I am Jaydeep Patel and you are watching Srihari Tax Mentors. So friends, today in this video we are going to discuss some of the provisions relating to reverse charge mechanism in the GST Act. So friends, to understand the provisions relating to RCM, let's start with the meaning of RCM. So friends, section 2 subsection 98 of the CGST Act 2017 says that reverse charge means the liability to pay tax by the recipient of the supply of goods or services or both instead of the supplier of such goods or services or both under section 9 subsection 3 or 9 subsection 4 of this act or under section 5 subsection 3 or 5 subsection 4 of the integrated goods and service tax act. So friends, that means normally what we are doing is we are paying tax relating to all the goods and the services to our supplier from whom we are taking the goods, and that supplier will be paying to the government. But in the case of reverse charge, the situation will be fully reversed. Now, here what you have to do is you have to pay all the taxes yourself to the government instead of supplier will be paying. If you are taking the goods or services which is notified under section 9 subsection 3, or if you are taking goods or services from the specified person who is notified under section 9 subsection 4. So friends, let's see what section 9 subsection 3 and section 9 subsection 4 is all about. So friends, section 9 subsection 3 is talking about the reverse charge under notified cases, which we will be dealing in the next slides. And section 9 subsection 4, which is saying that reverse charge will be applied when the supply of goods or services by unregistered person to registered person. So that also we'll see in the detail in the following slides. So let's see section 9 subsection 3 of CGST Act 2017, which is saying that the government may, on the recommendation of the council, by notification, specify categories of supply of goods or services or both, and the tax on which shall be paid on reverse charge basis by the recipient of such goods or services or both, and all the provision of this act shall apply to such recipient as if he is the person liable for paying the tax in relation to the supply of such goods or services or both. So that means government is having power to notify certain goods or services to levy tax on reverse charge basis. And friends, government has notified certain goods and services for which there is a applicability of reverse charge mechanism. And all the provision of this act will be applied to recipient as if he is the supplier of such goods or services or both. That means friends, receiver will be liable to pay tax directly to the government, not a supplier. Then let's see section 9 subsection 4 of the CGST Act 2017, which is saying that the central tax in respect of the supply of specified category of goods or services or both by a supplier who is not registered to a specified class of registered person shall be paid by such person on reverse charge basis as the recipient of such supply of goods or services or both, and all the provision of this act shall apply to such recipient as if he is the person liable for paying the tax in relation to such supply of such goods or services or both. So that means if you are as a registered person taking any notified goods or services or both from unregistered person, then such a registered recipient has to pay tax on the RCM basis. And then to conclude, if we'll see the difference between section 9 subsection 3 and section 9 subsection 4, section 9 subsection 3 is applicable to the notified goods or services where recipient is liable to pay tax irrespective of the fact that the supplier is registered or not. And if we'll see section 9 subsection 4, which is applicable to a notified goods or services which are supplied by unregistered person to a registered person where recipient is liable to pay tax. So friends, this is just brief introduction of the section 9 subsection 3 and section 9 subsection 4 of the CGST Act 2017. And friends, in our upcoming videos, we are going to discuss all the supply of goods and services which is notified under these sections. So friends, if you really enjoyed this video, then please press like button and you can share it with your friends also. And please subscribe to our channel if you have not done so far, so that you can get regular updates in the area of taxation, and even you can do the knowledge building in the area of taxation. So friends, thank you very much for being with us till the end, and we'll be seeing you in the next video.